So, a 8.7 magnitude earthquake hits Russia. And now, it's a whole tsunami. For what? Japan, a bunch of places, even the U.S., the West Coast, California, from Washington State all the way the fuck down. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Wheezy Radio News, the fuckery video talk. And listen, people, this is God's wrath. You know, when it comes to a tsunami, what y'all people gonna tell me that, oh, this shit is fucking man-made? A tsunami is not man-made. And when they talk about a tsunami means an earthquake, a volcano, and a hurricane all in fucking one. You know what I'm saying? But we in Revelations, so I'm not surprised. Do y'all know that America's gonna be split in fucking half? Do y'all know that shit? Or y'all don't know? It's no fear mongering either. It's the truth. America's Babylon, right? Mankind like me and you is still fucking doing sins, right? Still sinning out here. And don't believe in the Most High. So guess what the Most High gotta do? Let his presence or her presence be felt on this planet. All right? So you got a bunch of people in Hawaii. Everybody trying to get out at one time, and it's kind of crazy, you know? And I don't know if it hit Hawaii yet. I know a bunch of whales washed up in Japan. These people are talking about 9 foot, 4 feet, 7 foot fucking waves, man, or maybe higher than that. Just get prepared, people. If you don't know how to swim, you better start to learn how to swim. Especially if you're living in certain areas that could get flooded and all that shit. We at a time where you got to get your survival tools and your survival skills out. Because even if a tsunami was to hit my state, hit your state, I guarantee you they not gonna fucking notify us about nothing. And that's just my honest opinion about it. This is why I'm one of them people. I take my eyeballs and I look into them skies like if I'm my own meteorologist. You look over there in the sky, you look over there, you see a dark ass fucking cloud. Like, I could literally look in the sky, right? And see certain clouds and be like, yo, that's a fake ass fucking cloud right there. Like, why they doing this shit? It's something called cloud seeding. But, you know, I pray for everyone, man, to get to safety. This ain't no joke. Yeah. This could happen to your city. The East Coast is not being affected. But meanwhile, right, when you peep game, I'm in New York, right? So the whole fucking East Coast is fucking hot. 108, 97, 98, 94 degrees, all that. Meanwhile, the whole fucking West Coast is being threatened with a tsunami. And it's not hot out there at all. Like it's about to be a big ass fucking storm. That's what's going on out there on the West Coast. Meanwhile, it's hot on the East Coast. But this ain't man-made, man. This is God's wrath that me and you can't withstand. No human being can't withstand this here. 8.7, what is this? This is record fucking breaking history. And I find it strange that all of this, right, topic is being talked about. But 3 days, 4 days, or 5 days before they come out with this, why nobody said that, you know, the Yellowstone volcano and shit, you know, that's the biggest volcano in the United States. Why nobody is saying that all of the fucking animals, from the deer to the bear, all of them fucking left, bobcats, all of them. Why all the animals leave the fucking Yellowstone volcano? Because the fucking animals know that something big is about to happen. And it's God's creatures, right? So God will direct the creatures to leave before something major happens. And when all of them are leave, and then no one is at the fucking volcano, and now you're talking about a big ass fucking tsunami in the Pacific fucking Ocean. Wow. I'm not even surprised, man. We at end times, man, right now. It's too much going on. You know? But the way I feel, Mother Earth is crying out. God is mad. Like Mr. Trump released the fucking Epstein files. All the gay people, you know, it's man and woman out here. But you got people saying, nah, nigga, it's man to man, nigga, it's woman to woman. So what the fuck y'all expect a big ass tsunami to come and wipe everybody the fuck out? Or wipe some people out? Y'all think it's all about money, right? Oh, it's all about materialism. No, it's all about this. Your fucking heart. Alright? It ain't about money. Everybody will be judged out here. And as far as the word America, America is Babylon. Right? So everybody will be judged out here for what they did. Believe me. You don't have to believe me. You can comment below, say what the fuck you gotta say to me. But all of what's going on with this tsunami and what they're talking about on that TV, tell lies to your vision, it's all biblical. Don't let nobody tell you different. Wheezy Radio, the fuckery video talk. Wheezy Radio knows. Like, comment, subscribe. It's humid as shit out here. I gotta go. Later.